Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Out for a little walk in the woods today. Thought I'd cook myself a cheeseburger. Had a barbecue last week and I had a couple of 100% beef burgers left. So I thought, let's get the firebox out, go for a walk in the woods and get it cooked up. Unfortunately, there hasn't been as many videos as I'd like to have done recently. Haven't been out nowhere near as much as I wanted to be out, but there is a reason. My health hasn't been great, my physical health, and as a result that's also affected my mental health. Now you would think just get out into nature, which is what I normally do, but yeah, I've been having some difficulties doing that, to be honest, due to the physical health issues I've been having, but I won't go into that today. This is a relaxation, my relaxation time, and hopefully it's a relaxation video for you as well, because I enjoy watching people cooking and walking in the woods and that kind of stuff, so I'm not the only one. I wonder if this might be a little spot somewhere, a little seat that I could use. Maybe there. Looks all right here. Ground's a bit, it's a little bit damp, it's been raining. So I get my little mat out. So I've got my food in there, my burgers. First things first, this little table. And we've already got mozzies on me, look. There we are. The firebox out. Nicely oiled up from last time I used it. I took it home and cleaned it and oiled it up. What I've got today is I've got some charcoal. I thought it'd be easier. Just use a bit of charcoal. Got a bit of wood wool. I like a couple of those. Keep the mozzies away anyway, that smoke, won't it? I think what we'll do is put a bit of salt and pepper on these. Just season them a little bit. I'll do the other side when I put it on the grill. I forgot my gloves. It's a bit hot. There we are. Oops. We nearly have plastic burgers then. A bit more pepper. And a bit more salt. They should cook nicely on there. Whoa. Well, you know the term char grilled. It's certainly char grilled. It's only been on there half a minute. Oh, if you could smell them, they smell amazing. Put a bit of bacon on. Burgers are back on. Just going to drop the bacon back on a minute to warm it up. Time to put a bit of cheese on. See if I can toast these buns a little bit. A piece of bacon on each one. Let's burn that bit. Got a bit of little gem lettuce. Oh. And some ketchup. And there we have it. 2 cheeseburgers. They look pretty good. Let's see how they taste. Been looking forward to these all day. Mmm. That's really good. I decided to boil some water to make a cup of tea, but the problem is my TBS billy can doesn't really fit in the boil plate because of these handles here, look. They're stopping it from going in, so I can't get it further enough down on the fire sticks here. So we'll have to see if it boils, because there's not that much charcoal left. So I thought, oh, I'll just make a cup of tea with what's remaining while it burns down. Let's see if it boils. I don't know if it will or not. Let's have a look, see how we're doing. Oh, actually, yeah, it looks like it is boiling. I'm happy to say that the water boiled in the end, but my mic started playing up, so I've had to take my mic off. And I did record the water boiling and pouring the tea, but I had loads of feedback on the mic, so I won't be able to use that footage. So there you go. But my tea is poured. There it is, look. Nice cup of Earl Grey. So I'm going to enjoy that now. Chill out a little bit, let the coals die down on this little firebox, and that's why I didn't want to add any more to make it boil quicker, because I wanted to use it all up, because I didn't want any, I didn't want to be here all night waiting for it to burn down. And that's what I like about the firebox. It burns really efficiently, and because you've got the ashtray on the bottom, you don't get any ash on the floor. So as long as you can let it burn down to ash, you're good. So yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed watching that. And sorry you couldn't get to try the burger, the cheeseburger, but it was good. A little bit overdone really, to be honest. I'm still learning how to use this firebox. It seems to be really quick at cooking stuff. So you think you'll put the food on, and I think you should let it die down a bit more even. And you get flare up, so it's it's a bit of a learning curve for me. But I hope you enjoyed watching anyway. And if you did, give me a thumbs up, all the good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.